There's a version of you that's still making decisions like you're broke, even with money in the account. Today, we're going through the exact moment that stops. $200 lands in your account. Nothing dramatic. A refund, a bit of overtime, whatever. Watch what happens next. You check the balance twice. You think about the bill due in 9 days. You move the $200 somewhere safe before you can spend it on anything. That's not caution. That's the reflex. And here's the part that stings. The person earning $31,000 and the person earning $95,000 just made the exact same move. Same $200, same account, same 9-day bill. Except this time, watch the other version of you. He doesn't hide the money. He asks one question first. Does this $200 make me more money, or does it just sit here? That's it. That's the whole fork. One person protected the $200. The other one interviewed it. So, quick one. Which question did you just ask? Last time $200 landed in your account. Protect it or put it to work. Drop it in the comments. I actually want to see the split. Anyway, so why does one person protect and the other interview? Because somewhere, a first paycheck, a parent's warning, a bank account that hit zero once, one of you learned money is scarce, and the other learned money is a tool. Neither of you decided this consciously. You just kept confirming it every time a decision like the $200 came up. The rule running underneath it is one sentence: protect what I have versus put it to work. This is where it stops being about $200. 6 months later, same two people, same kind of moment. A bonus, a tax return, a side gig payout. Person A moves it to savings again, protects it again. Person B already has 3 of these $200 moments working somewhere. Not huge, not a fortune, but moving. The gap was never the money. It's the number of times you chose protect over put to work. So what actually flips someone from person A to person B? It's not motivation. It's not a New Year's resolution. It's the first time you catch yourself mid-reflex. Money hits, hand already reaching to hide it. And you ask the other question instead. Does this make me more money, or does it just sit here? That's the whole switch. Same $200 from the start of this video. Different question. You just watched the fork happen in a single moment. $200, one question, 2 directions. Now stretch that same fork across 10 years instead of 10 seconds. Same starting point, same age. One person still runs the reflex, the other doesn't. In the next video, you'll see exactly what that gap looks like by 30. Not in theory, in the actual math of 2 people who started identical at 20.